Red light therapy sounds like it should be bullshit, but let's dive into the research and see if this is real. I have a PhD, I've been studying aging for 10 years, so out of popular demand, let's dive into this. Main two mechanisms that red light therapy improves skin is through mitochondrial function. Specifically, it's these wavelengths of 650 to 800 nanometers. This wavelength can interact with a part of the mitochondria called cytochrome C oxidase to prevent it from making nitrous oxide and instead producing more ATP. As we age, our mitochondria become dysfunction, not just in our skin, but everywhere. But in our skin, we have a decrease in ATP level. And as we get older, this declines. So when we use red light therapy, we're able to activate our mitochondria. It works by changing the viscosity around the ATP synthase so it can spin faster and make more ATP. This is in a dish. I mean, these experiments were done in animal models because it's impossible to do in humans. But does this pan out in the human literature? Across different meta studies that red light therapy has multiple different types of improvement on skin. The kicker here is that it has to be an LED light. Light that is not an LED will predominantly emit white light, not the wavelengths that you need. That's 650 to 800, sometimes 950, depending on the study. Unfortunately, that means those cheap ones, the chicken lights, it ain't gonna cut it. What I will say is that I used to get microneedling with PRP 3 to 4 times a year. Since using red light, I have decreased that to 1 time a year and have been able to maintain my results with the red light therapy. So girl math, I feel like I'm saving money because those sessions cost like $1,000.